Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook channel. So today I'm back again with another video. Now this one is gonna be a DIY video. So with the help of clay, just make it the way shown in the video. And what do you think the outcome's gonna be? Now we are using some natural things here, and wow. We have made a lion here, and doesn't it look like a realistic one? Well, it's a very good craft idea. Now the next one in today's video is we are making hairs of a girl with the help of the leaves, and yeah, actually she's also amazed, like look at her eye expression. Yeah, it's done. Doesn't it look nice? Now the next one in today's video is just cut the orange peel with the way shown in the video, and then make some faces, whichever face you like. If you want, you can make the one in the videos, and yeah, done. These are like a bunch of apples, oranges just going on a trip. Now the next one in today's video is we are making the Doraemon we have already made. Now we're just trying to make a running Doraemon. So yeah, did it the way shown in the video. Now the next one in today's video is just take some of these and the leaves. These are, I think, available near all of us. Now we are making a hen out of them, and yeah, done. Now it looks a very realistic model, so you all can make these, and these are very easy. Now the next one in today's video is we are just fold the paper as shown in the video. Fold it and again fold it until and unless it's done, and the outcome will amaze you. And yeah, now just fold the way it's been done and make few of them, and yeah, wow, it's okay, you can play with that. Oh, that's nice. Now just take these beautiful papers. It feels like sakura papers. I really like them. Now just fold them the way shown and see a pretty flower. The one you can see, the one in the back. Now you're making the exact same one, and yeah, just do as shown, and it's done. Now these stencils are oh wow, these are really nice. Now the next one in today's video is just so you can actually make a pen, which is okay, it's not like a normal regular pen. You can actually make some wool ink kind of thing. Now the next one in today's video is just again fold the paper as shown in the video, and yeah, it's we all used to play like this in our childhoods, so it's a fan, and done. Now the next one in today's video is take some cones and pine cones, and these are available in the market very easily. Now just do as shown, and wow, they do look like pretty flowers, and done. You can actually decorate your house with these. Now the next one in today's video is just what do you think we are gonna make? Any idea? Yeah, I do have. Okay, so done. Now the next one in today's video is just take these seeds and and done. Thanks.